What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome Liberium Crypto video. We will be launching real soon. Hopefully, the next shoot. It's supposed to be before the end of this month, and it's the 28th, so that we don't have too many days left. Let's see how many days are actually in this month. Need to swap these screens. Those 31 days in March. So we got 3 more days for it to go ahead and launch. Well, 4 really, because I mean it's only 10:52. So sometime today, sometime tomorrow, sometime then. He providing all kind of great things for the company. Before we even go into this, for those that are recruiters such as myself, we even have a free recruiting page that you can go ahead and sign up for. And it looks just like this. And it has video on the front explaining Liberium Crypto. Info, Pro Trader Signals package, whichever one you want to do. Compensation plan, become a customer today. Everything you need is on here. Everything you need is on here. For those that are in the business that want the same bot, it gives you the option to get the bot, lock in your position. When you come down to step 2, it is right here. Get a site like this now. And I already have a site like this. I need to know what to take off. I'll take that off and to show you mine. Let me see what these ones are. There we go. That's mine right there. I think I already blue lighted. Nope. Done. It's blue lighted now. This is my site. So this one I'll put in this video also. And then once you come on here, you'll see more information. But this is free for everybody in the business. I mean, this is a very nice page that either you will spend a couple days putting it together or, spend a couple dollars, obviously putting it together. But the owner has put this together for everybody. Man, you can't complain. It explains everything. So my video today most likely was just going to be more so about what's going on in the company, what they have to offer. And we got the $69 signal pack for those that want to just take the signals and just go ahead and be like, okay, you got to go to your MT4 and take signals. And I mean, we have different signal services. I got a signal service right here that you can just take signals. What it's saying is these signals be on point. You take the trades on your own, and that's all you have to do. And then it has its own compensation plan to go with that one, which is still excellent. It's not as lucrative as this one right here that we've got to go over, but it's still good. I mean, for those who just want to be signal takers. But regardless, when you sign some up, they want to take signals. They're still under you. So you'll have a team of signal takers, and you'll have a team of people that use the bot. And if people like me who like passive income, where you do things once or twice, make a few videos here and there, and then you get paid for a long duration of time, they'll go with the bot. So you can see that we have the $715 package that gets you 1,000 trades, the $537 package that gets you 700 trades. You get the 400 trades for what trade tokens mean. It's really a trade. So each trade is worth a token. So every trade you get throughout that period, you get $358, you get 400 trades. So that's 400 trades. So imagine just the amount of money you can make off of 400 trades, depending on the percent and how much you actually put in there. I mean, you put $100 in there. I mean, you can't expect much. I don't know what to tell you on that, unless you trading a whole $100 and you're doing like 10%, then you got $10 a trade. And if you do that 1,000 times, and if they all win, I mean, if you get a 10% trade, that's just, I'm saying, to make the $10 time to make $10,000, that will have to be a very miraculous movement for you to even make $10,000 off of that. So you need to put some money in there. Then you got the Veritas. It's 179 trade tokens for $179. And a lot of people are like, well, what does all that mean? And these are all the videos that show you how to hook your API keys up to the system, to the awesome Liberium system. But a lot of people, so I see they got KuCoin, Kraken, Binance, and I think at the bottom is Gemini. Gemini again. So That's the 4 options that you have so far. And remember, your money stays in your account. It's not going to the company. These are your accounts. You're putting your own money in these accounts, hooking your API up to the bot. The bot trades, and the money stays in your account. You get 100% of everything. So people are like, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, you got this package, you got this package, you got this package. Okay, so what does that look like on paper? All right, well, without further ado, we're going to show you what it looks like on paper. So first and foremost, these are your packages. So you got your A package, B package, C package, D package. So it's the, maybe I should have changed it and put it on there. All right, give me 1 second. Instead of naming it A, B, C, and D, I'm going to go back and just name it the package name that we were just looking at. Where did I just leave that at? Okay, Telegram. So I'm going to take my Telegram, put it on top. And this will be just so you can know what we're dealing with. Okay, so 179. This is going to be, and I'm just going to do the amount of trades that you're going to get. So it makes more sense. 400 trades, 700 trades, and 1,000. That way it makes more sense when you're looking at it. So for this trade size, $50. This is the dollars, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Make that dollars, right? I'm going to make this dollars too, because that's dollars too. Make that dollars. No, it's not. That's the amount of trades. We're going to take that off. I'll take it off. That's not how you take it off. Let me see, maybe I'll just make it normal. Plain text. Okay, we're definitely not going to be playing games with this all day. If I put the dollar sign on, I should be take the dollar sign off. Delete cell, shut down, insert comments, convert, more cell actions. Usually you can just delete anything I put in there. All right, so that's not dollars. Oh, it did it for one. No, it didn't do it for one. Okay, all right. So that's the name of the trades, the number of trades. I don't know why this thing is giving me all these problems. Number. Let's see what this did. No, I just want to go here, go there. Let's go. No, not account. Just number. There we go. Okay, I thought I did it before. Anyway, let's keep on going. So for that package, and let's say if you only put $50 in there, and this is a 2%. 2% on what this is if your trades do 2% in that package. You're pretty much going to break even. So it's letting you know $50 is really not going to work. Because if you get $50 and pay $715, you're only making $285 if you put $50 in it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. So you need to, I would say, I wouldn't even start off anything like this without even looking at more than a minimum of 500, because you're not going to make any money that way. Now you see the difference? So if you put $500 in, and if 179 trades take place, you're going to make $1,611. That's giving you $900 in profit because you got to buy your next trade package. So you're making $900 every time it does 2%. But there's traders that are doing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% per trade. So what does that look like? So say if it's 4, that's what that looks like. So the percentages per trade is crazy. I know there's one guy, Jonathan, he has like an 8% trade, 8% per trade. And depending on what you trade, now, obviously you got to understand that you're trading this whole $500 every time. So on a $500 trade, he does 8% each time. You coming out with $39,000 on a $500 trade for 1,000 trades. Maybe is this going to be in a month? I'm not sure if it's going to be in a month. I'm not sure how fast it could be, but if it's 3 or 4 trades a day, at 8%, who is complaining about that? So if it's like 3 or 4 trades, we could just bring the regular calculator up for that. So we got 500 times 0.08, $40 times 4. So $160 a day if it only doing 4 trades a day. But I was going to do more trades than that to get your 1,000 knocked off. So if they're doing 10 trades a day, you already seen it's 40. That's $400 a day that you'll be making. It's coming into your Kraken account, your Gemini account, your Binance account. It's coming into your account, your KuCoin account. So that money is yours. So depending on what they do a day, we go to 1%. That's $4,285. If that's all they're doing is 1%, depending on whoever you pick. And you got 1,000 trades. So you deduct $715 for your next run, you got $3,000. What if it's somebody that's trading? I mean, I don't know how many trades they're going to do in a month. I can't tell you that. I can't give you that answer. But I mean, you're in profit from 400 and up. If you just want to do 400 and they do 400 trades, they get 400 knocked out in a month. You're making $900 a month again. If you do the 700, if they can get 700 trades in a month, then you're making $2,200 because you got to put the 715 back. You know what I'm saying? I mean, so it's a win-win situation. I'll just put it down to 1%. But if I mean, like I said, if it's 3%, let's say it's this 3. You know what I'm saying? Forget all the bigger numbers. Look at that. You in profit no matter where you at. But remember, you got to do $500 trades each time. So you put $500 in, you put it all on the line, and you do these trades. So every time they do a trade, because you got to think about it. If you win the first 10 trades, you're going to be in profit. If you win the first 10 trades, you're going to be in profit. So you got to put it all on the line. And they're doing your $500 trades, and if they win through 3%, they win 3%. But if they lose 3%. So you're not losing the whole $500. You just need to make it sure it's the whole thing that you're trading, because you want to be able to make the money off of the 500, not just doing like 2% of your account or 1% of your account and making 3% off of 1%. That it doesn't work like that. You're never going to make money that way. It's going to be, I mean, you're going to make money depending on what you put in, but that's pretty much how you're going to make money. And this is just for the investor. Let's put that in there. So if that's all you want to do, you're never going to tell anybody. That's you getting paid. That's great money. $14,000. Come on now. If you're doing that in a month's time, depending on how many some trades some people are taking, I don't know how many trades they take in a month. We'll know sooner or later. But if they could take that amount of trade, even if they take that in 2 months, that's $7,000 a month. That from $500. So once you understand, that's from $500. You in profit like almost instantly. Right? Right. All right. So let's take that same 179. So you got people that buy this 179. You got people buy the 400. You got people buy the 700. You got people buy the 1,000. This is what this looks like. I cannot put them all in the same chart because it makes no sense. It's going to be a variation of all these together. It's not going to be the same. But you got to look at these numbers. Like, say if you have a whole team of people. Shoot, we're just going to do 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm just going to make them all 3 more than the first one. 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Yeah, that's good. That's good numbers. So this is what you would make. This is what you would make if these amount of people join your team using these bots. So the other thing what you got to understand is, this is, oh, I never changed the numbers. Lord, deliver me. Oh man, golly. I went and just copied the thing over and over again, but I didn't change it. I was like, why is the number the same at the bottom of each one? These numbers are not correct. On the last three. So what we have to do is go back to the compensation video. Hold 1 second, I'll pull it up real quick. Passive income opportunity. There it is right there. I'm not even messing with that because that's going to make me log out, log back in.
Of 2022. Fine. Easy boss. Let's look. I mean, whatever the market can break in your pay package B, it's $3.59, which gives you an additional income channel account with a cryptocurrency. Keeping cryptos, your money, tradable, and use the items and get February.
Well, one thing that you can see too from this, look at this. This is a percentage per trade these guys are taking. So if he's like an average of 5.9%, 8%, 4.6%, 4.4%. That's the average of trades they're taking. And these guys are taking like 135 trades, 75, 101, 63 trades. People. And this is what they did in another opportunity. Who knows what they're going to blow up and do on this one? Who knows what they're going to do on this one? Already
all the I mean, we're looking the real quick and
hold up.
All of that.
Hold up. That was it.
Sir, real quick, and I'm winning per trade.
Pause. Okay, so this is the first part of what we just showed you. Let's wait. We're waiting for the second part. So he's going over again the trade and how much money you would have in there, what you would make. Same stuff that I'm just going over right now. But I'm looking more so for the actual
being a crypto thing and the market buying the dip. You don't have to open trade. Copy their symbols. Remember, this is fully automated 59 channel. If you're not part of that channel, make sure you are adding clean. Communicate with maybe you want to but the trade tells you, but it's out a month. But a lot of shares, we're going to start from the Q.0 below half single. Important now. We're looking versus 1 point dollars. The county, so that's the deducted. It's already been deducted. It's D or in an account. One real quick, and I'm going to go to the trade to bad ones. Being so long, 9 cryptocurrency. You don't have a.
Maybe I'm in the wrong video.
Share this video and enroll immediately, like now.
Let's go to the key page. Let's see what
cheers is video. Number 6. You also still have to use that with the package D 59 with trade limited commissions to give and for D in place. 11.508.
That's the same video. There is a video. Okay, this one says affiliate plan. I think this might be the one. Oh, I like that. There we go. I think this is the one. Boom. There we go. This is what we're looking for. All right. So what I'm gonna do is make this bigger. Then you see where my numbers need to change real quick for this. So
it's significant.
All right, give me one chance. One chance. Let me see. So this one is okay. We're changing that. So this one is 120, 30, 20. 10. Oh, that's not a 10. 10. 2010. 8. How far do we go down? 8, 6, 6, 6. All right, we're only gonna go down 10 just for the sake of this video. But you can see how it's starting to change. So for this one, because remember, you're putting more money in, of course you're gonna make more money back. So first number on this one is going to be, because remember your when they buy the package, this is your direct commissions. For your first, you're gonna get $180 every time they pay for that. Then 45, then 30, then 15, then 12. And 12 is on line 7. I'm definitely not on line 7. Okay, we got 180, 45, 30, 15. Oh shoot, 30 again, then 15, then 12, then 9, then 9, then 9. And boom, we're gonna stop at that. So the rest of them, we're not even gonna go past 10 on this one, just to go down 10 levels, just to make it easier for this video. So this first one here is 240. So everybody that joins you, that gets that package, which I don't know why people wouldn't get that package, to tell you the truth. People have a lot more money than they act like they do, because I understand I put hundreds of people in a company that costs $4,000 a pop. So I already know people have money. They have money, they have money, they have money. 12, 12, 12. All right, down, yeah, so it stops at 12. So you see the differences in what you could be making a month. So these are going to be, it's not going to be a perfect team. You're going to have some 179s, you're going to have 358s, you're going to have some 537s, have some 715s. But you got to think about it. You probably have people that's going to start here because they want to try it out. And you're going to have some people that have a little bit more who's going to start here. Not too many people are going to do this. They're either going to do this one, that one, or this one. And it's just statistics, the way things work. They're going to use this one, or that one. There's going to be a few that does this one. Because once they do this one and this one, the amount of money they're going to make, they're going to invest in this one. They're going to invest straight over here. If I make $1,000 in this, I'm going to keep $200, $285, and I'm putting the 715 back into this one. Because if I made $1,000 off of 179, what am I going to make off of 715? I'm not even going to play with these two if I start here and make $1,000. I'm going to jump straight over to this one. And this is how people think. People think all of them are good. I mean, I don't care if everybody just starts here and stay there. I don't care if they stay there. At least I know where, how to manage what I'm going to be making them off. But the difference in your paycheck with the same amount of people is this. And remember, regardless where you start, stop worrying about where you start. And this is not even that many people. I didn't add it up to see how many people that actually is. I could put a total right here, just to see how many people that actually is. Where is my function key? Is it this one? I know a lot of them are different. There we go. Okay, sum of all of these. So here, 165 people. That's all you got right there. And it's the difference between paste. $4,000 a month check and a $1,000 a month check. That's the difference. Same amount of people. So if you start here and everybody starts here, they're not going to stay here. So your team can keep growing steadily. But the thing is, what you got to understand is they're going to upgrade. So the next time they buy their package, they started here. Next time they buy their package, they coming over here. So you're starting to make this amount of money over here. Everybody, sooner or later, your team is going to be over here. I don't know who's going to want to stay over here when you're making that money. It doesn't make sense. It makes no sense. Why am I going to keep getting in this 179 when I can afford the 715 that gives me 1,000 trades? I'm wasting money spending money over here. 179 goes in at 715. Let's see. Let's do that right. That's going to show you why. 715. Just going to show you 715 divided by 179. Was it 4 times? It goes in there 4 times. So 4 times 179 is not 1,000. It's 715. So why the heck would I keep buying this one when I can pay a little bit more and get a whole lot more trades? You only get 179. You only get 179. And to try to make up 1,000 trades, remember 179 gets you 179 trades, right? So let's do 1,000 divided by 179. 5. You got to buy 5 of these packs to get to here. Won't you just to get to 1,000 trades? 5 of these packs. So let's say 5 times, or 179 is going to be 5 packs to get to the 1,000 trades. But think about it. 179 times 5 is 1,000. That's the only way you're going to get there. So why not pay 715, which was 4, so 1.5 less packs to get to where you needed to be? I don't know. I don't know why people wouldn't do it. So it doesn't make sense. So they're going to do it. The cheapest package is the 715. When it looks at what you're making, it's funny when you look at it, but when you've been investing, you've been in this game space, this is the cheapest package. The cheapest one is the 715 because you're getting 1,000 trades. And then we just showed you at whatever percentage it is. Oh my gosh, depending on what the percentage, like the dude does 8. He was showing you he was doing 8% per trade. So like I said, we can just leave it 3 there just to let you see what could happen if you do a $500 account. But we got money, man. We got money. So we can put remember, money is in your Kraken account. So this is $1,700 start. You're never gonna pay the $700 again out of your pocket. You're only gonna pay it once. Because after that, you're paying it out of profit. This is 3% of trade. 1,000, you make $29,000. I'm leaving it low. I'm leaving it real low for you to kind of see where you would be at. Even if you put 1,000 and you only pay 179, you're still making dough. And that's a 79 trade. So you'll probably see this money pretty fast. You're going to see your 5,000 faster than the person going to see 1,000. Why? Because it's only 179 trades. They waiting 1,000 trades to get to their 29,000, even though they make a lot more money because they did the 1,000 trades. And you can see 5 times this will not be 29,000. It'll still be $26,000. $26,000 at the most. Yup. Right at 26,000. That's what you would get. So you're making $3,285 more dollars doing 1,000 versus the 179. So it's letting you know, got to get busy, people. You got to get busy. Even the 700 versus 1,000. Look at that. Look at the difference. $9,000 more dollars for 300 more trades. It shows you which one is the best one for you to get. The best one for you to get is the 750. Because the 715, is the cheapest package. It's the cheapest package. Cheapest package. It's the cheapest package, people. So, and this is how your team is going to grow. Like I said, you're going to have a mixture of these. It's not going to be perfect because people are going to come in where they're going to come in. But after a time, your first groups of people are all going to gravitate over here. It makes too much sense. Too much sense not to be over here. And people have sense. People understand that I'm going to spend less money to make more money. That's the name of this game. I spend less money to make more money. And that's what we have over here at Liberium. And your money is your money. You don't have to worry about it. If something happens to the company, nothing happens to your money. We're not saying anything's going to happen to the company. We're just letting you know, like a lot of places, we're like, oh man, they got all my money. What are they doing? The website not coming on, this, that. You're not going to care about that. Long as Kraken comes on, long as Gemini comes on, long as KuCoin comes on, long as Binance comes on, you got your dough. You go in there like, yo, cancel these APIs. You got to wait for some stuff to come out of trades. Maybe if the trades just close automatically. I don't know what will happen with that part. But the whole thing is, you got to understand is your money is your money. Your trades are going to happen in your account. You're going to watch them in your account. Everything's going to happen in your account with your control, that you can take that money, put it in your bank account anytime you want. And that's the space that we need to be in. And I love this space where my money is my money. And we got the right traders trading our money. And these are real people trading. So you got the AI technology trading, and now you got these super traders trading. So, hey, and then I would say try both. Try both. Try the signals too if you need to. You know what I'm saying? Try the signals too if you need to. So, that way you can always have an edge on your signals. Hey, it's up to you what you do. But do something. You got to do something, people. We can't just keep sitting around, sitting on the fence, watching the rich get richer, watching these governments keep trying to find ways to pull money out of pocket. They want to keep the rich in the middle class, whatever middle class is now. I mean, $1 million is like the new broke now. You got to think $1 million don't last for long. $1 million done passed through a lot of our hands, and still don't have nothing to show for it. So we got to get busy, people. We have to get busy. We have to get busy. We have to get busy. And we have to grow. You know what I'm saying? And scare money don't make money. Do you think Wall Street brokers, they are gambling with, and it's gambling, really. I mean, wherever way you look at it, it's strategical gambling with billions of dollars on a day, trillions. Let's say Forex industry is trillions of dollars. That's going on every day. And there are people out there getting filthy, stinking rich because they're not scared to make a move. They are on their faith walk, and they are running. They are running, and they ain't stopping. And they come to work in Ferraris, Lamborghinis. They pull up and go down to the Wall Street parking garage with their Lamborghinis, Ferrari. Just go down to the garage near all the brokers. Just go to the broker firms, find a broker firm somewhere near wherever you live, mostly in New York or in different places, wherever they have them, and go in a parking lot and just walk around. Just go in the parking lot. I'm not going to say follow these jokers home because then you might get shot. What I'm saying, just walk through the parking lot. And then you'll see the difference between people who are not afraid to take risks, and then go in the parking lot of the safe 9-to-5ers. People that work in different places that waiting on a steady check every week. These jokers go, if you either going to be a person that's going to make your destiny and build your own dreams, or you're going to be somebody that's going to build other people's dreams. Yes, these Wall Street brokers have a 9-to-5, but they're making millions of dollars doing it. So it's totally different. I mean, they're really still kind of entrepreneurs if you really look at it that way. So I'm just using them as an example because they're the ones that do this on a daily basis and been doing this for ages. So why not get your piece of the pie? It's not about competition. I'm not a competition against anybody. I'm in competition against myself. What can Terrence produce? That's it. That's my competition. Me and myself. Have no competition with the. I want everybody to win. So I do these videos. And I try to do them on stuff that I know that if you come and join me and you do what I'm doing, you're going to make money too. I don't like the programs where I'm just going to make money and you're not. Now, if you choose not to build and you join with me and you're happy with being an investor, obviously we're going to do two different things because you just wanted to invest. But if we both build it, hey, yo, use my videos. Use them all the time. Like YouTube sent me an email saying all these people are using your videos. Do you want to stop them? No, I don't want to stop them. Don't even know half of them. But it's good to see that people want to use my videos. That's how you get notoriety. That's why when I talk to new people on the phone, they already know who I am. I'm like, dude, I'm not even a superstar. But people know who I am. I got like almost 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I don't have no 25,000, 100,000, million like some of these other guys have. But are already known in the space. Because we're doers, man. We don't stop. We keep on growing. Because if not, poverty awaits. That's all I can tell you. Poverty awaits. Read your Proverbs. You got to read your Proverbs. It's like the door, as the door moves on its hinges, so does the slothful man move in his bed. He just turns around in the bed and just flips in the bed. He's not doing anything. And the door goes back and forth so much. And he's just turning in the bed, not making any money. And then it's totally biblical for a man to take care of his family. Because if not, you have denied the faith and you're worse than an infidel. What's worse than an infidel? So you got to go out there. But God has given us the power to create wealth. So we have to use that power to create wealth. And all you got to do is tell somebody. Make a move. You got to do something, people. You got to do something. Because you don't do nothing. What, you going to sit around and complain and damn everybody? And just make sure people, when y'all have your prayer, like anybody that comes on my videos and watch them just to hate on me, I'm bonding you up. So you might want to just start showing some love. Because my angel's going to come looking for you. So you might want to make sure that when you watching my videos, you're not on here like, oh, no. Watch them and love them, or don't watch them at all. Because my angel's coming for you. Anyway, so let's go back to what we were talking about. Greatness, people. Liberium. Greatness, people. It's a platform for you to come in, get your trades in, and let's get busy. Starting very, very, very soon. So if you're not in here, you need to get in here. It's your money in your account. I got my API video. Go back to my last video with the API keys. Hook your API up to your account and let's roll, people. You know what I'm saying? So this is your boy Terrence Gibbons saying, like, subscribe, rock that bell. Like, subscribe, rock that bell. Join my team and let's get busy.